Hello, second graders! In this video, we are going to be talking about what it means to give credit to someone. Imagine how you'd feel if you submitted artwork to a competition and your piece won first prize, but when they went to give out the awards, they said someone else's name. How would that make you feel? I know that I would feel sad and upset that I didn't get the credit for turning that in. Credit means you recognize someone for the work they did. And when we use other people's websites or books on our projects, it is so important that we always give them credit. It shows them respect, and it's the right thing to do rather than just claiming their work as ours. To give credit, you must say the author and the title and the website or book you got the information from. So from now on all of our projects and activities, we are going to practice giving credit to the authors. Bye!